We have hot water.
Don't have hot water. Pulled it a little too hard, but that's the story of my life.
G'day guys, welcome into another episode. I know the last few weeks we haven't really done a whole lot on the bus because we have been doing a whole lot of travel and focusing on Jeremy's music. We do have a lot on the bus coming up this week. I will let Jeremy explain a little bit more about that, but he is just at the moment practicing for a festival he's got in Sydney this weekend. So let's go in and see how he's going.
G'day. Yeah, I'm just practicing some Kiwi. Come here. Hello. I'm just practicing some songs for a festival with my little Kiwi dog. Yeah, I've got a festival in Sydney this weekend coming up with a few really cool guys. Andrew Farris from EXCITEDDDDDD is going to be there. Travis Collins, one of the premier country singers in Oz. There's heaps cool guys going to be there. I've got a gig with Liam Brew and the band, so that'll be cool. It'll be my first proper bass gig in a very long time, probably since Za'Kyia was born or thereabouts. So a little nervy, but still fun too. It's good to get back into it. But anyway, so enough of that. I'm just running songs for that. We're going to cruise over and have a look at the water system. I got a hot water system that come in the mail when we were where was it? We were in Stanage, I think. We were in Stanage and it arrived. So we've got the hot water system there. We're just going to look at mounting it, cutting a hole in our beautiful bus and putting it in, so it'll be as stressful as the Max Air fan. And ooh, yeah, anyway, it'll be as stressful as the Max Air fan, I'm sure. And anyway, we're going to get changed and head over. We'll see you at the bus.
His face
Show us.
Big smile. Jenny's first too.
Jedd, that looks like cool. I just tried to twist it with my tongue and then it just came out. I knew it would come out this week. I knew it. I wish I could try and do that at Stanage Bay.
Did you say Spanish Bay?
All I want for Christmas is my bottom too. Stanage Bay. Stanage Bay.
It has been ages since we've even looked at the bus, let alone gotten in and done something with it, so it needs a good clean out before we actually get anything done. Start with the fridge, eh?
Oh, first to the pooper valve.
Oh, gross.
Oh. Alright. Next, everything.
As you can see, heaps of my insulation's fallen down, so we've got a bit of just, I think, maintenance and cleaning ahead of us today.
Say hi.
So I've gotten so big. He was 6 kilos when we got him and he's 10 now. It's been 4 weeks, 3 weeks.
Hey. What do you reckon? You say hi to everyone.
Say
Say
hi.
hello. Hello.
And what about Simmy? Simmy,
Hey, Sim.
come here. Hey, good boy.
Go, boys. You can help by unloading all this stuff.
Oh no.
Barbary, cherry lips and your cheeks are rubies. I woke up to your perfume in the morning. Maybe come back to bed instead. Then you leave.
Okay, so that wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be, but it's clean again. Simba's got his little bed back over there. Anyway, we're about to do some logistics. Is that what you call it? Is that the right word? Planning, I guess, to figure out sort of where the kids' seats are going to go, where the hot water system's going to go, where the fridge is going to go, all that sort of thing. So,
toilet up here. Shower from there to about here, roughly. Water pump underneath all this shit sitting there because the kitchen starts there. Hot water goes through here because we've got to think about cutting the hole in the bus. We can't do it through it. Wherever you got one of these, there's a support that runs the whole way down to the floor, so we can cut the sides. So I'll pop him pretty much there.
Is that a water filter?
that's the hot water system, yep. And then after that, I'll just try and whack the fridge in as tight up to it as I can. And then that should leave enough room for the kids' seats to be put back in.
Well, the kids' seats will likely be in line with this, won't it? Or does that not affect it?
No.
Doesn't matter?
No. No. If anything, you want to give them a bit of window, not a bit of steel. Here, kids, look out your window. All we can see is that piece of steel because Mum put our seats in front of it. How's the view? Just give us a minute, Mum, we'll have a look. Alright. Alrighty, so just trying to get this as I don't know, accurate as I can, I guess, before I cut another hole in the bus. 225.
Is it 25 or 26?
Yeah. So if I go about there here. Mm. 40 centimeters in, then I'm going 660 down to the bottom. From there. Got him?
Yeah, got him.
660. Well, I can't go down 660, so that's alright. It just means it'll be higher than I thought. So let's just go 6, because the floor is 680, 700. The bottom of the floor is about here, so it's going to be up a little bit. So what am I saying there? We'll go 650. Yeah, we'll go 650. But it was 20. Yeah, right. So we can get him there and it's going to drill in a hole up here somewhere, and then that way I'll be able to get the jig in and start cutting. But anyway, this is how you drill a hole. Hello, dogs.
No going back now.
Well, no, that's all right. So that's what that was getting caught on. Righto. Jill's going to cut some fluff out. We'll be back. Kiwi. Hey, 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 hey. You're very noisy. You're very noisy when you play. Yes, you are. Good boy.
I'm a pro at this.
Are you?
Oh, the piece end's right there, so you may as well hold the whole thing out. For sure.
Kiwi, you get tangled up.
Yeah, Sim's going to get tackle him in a minute.
It's been like this for the last half an hour.
He's alright, he's having a good time. Sim would probably use too.
Oh, yep, I can see the walls now. See right in there.
Cool. Just like that. Yeah, the next part's cut out, isn't it?
Very good. you doing, Pumpkin?
Having happy work on yellow magical school bus.
Magic yellow school bus.
I've been helping blow the dust off.
Show us what you've been doing.
Just blowing off dust and
Wait
stuff.
till I get out of the road before you do it.
Do this side, babe.
I've pretty much done this side, but you just want to blow stuff.
Oh, not in. Getting Pappy right in the face. So my dad's had that car forever. Like, we used to drive around in it back when it was grey before it was painted and I was a little kid. So he's just been doing that up forever. And Za'Kyia's out giving him a hand today, so that's nice. They're cleaning it all up and they're sending it off to somebody to get, I don't know if it's fully rebuilt or what they're getting done, but getting it all done, so should hopefully be up on the road soon. Let us know below which one you think's going to be up on the road first. Do you reckon it's going to be the bus?
We have got about, I don't know, 15 years head start, but it could be close.
It could be the bus or it could be the Chevy over there. But he's got Za'Kyia on his team, so I don't know.
I'll punch it out real quick.
She's getting it done now, so let us know which one you think will be done first or which one you think's cooler. Obviously the bus. So Jeremy's got the hole cut to size, it fits, we just got to clean it up and then we can install it, right?
I think so. I'm just cutting a few little bits and pieces to anchor when I screw that little doodad into the bus. These will just anchor it on the inside. And then yeah, I might just, I'll tidy this up. Yeah, we're just going to rust proof it and that. I'm going to file it back, rust proof it, cut these little things, glue them in with liquid nails, and then screw the doobie whacker in. The poor old can's running on fumes. Oh well.
Enough to get you through?
We'll see.
Come on, you just got that top edge? No.
Meh.
Oh, that's promising. Just gotta... Hey, there she is.
But it's not the outside I need to do, it's there. Yeah, good boy.
Spray your fingers and just...
Yeah, no, that's good. Thanks for the spray your fingers tip. That's a hot tip.
It's a hot tip with jelly.
That's a hot tip with jelly. Spray your fingers. Tidied him up a bit. Whatnot. Yep, sweet, happy days. Alrighty, so I'm just putting some snot on these. And then I'm just going to clamp them on there, let them sit for a few minutes, and then we'll move on to the next stage. Oh yeah.
What was that?
It looked like a sloppy old poo, didn't it?
No, I mean the look you gave.
The look I gave it, it was a look of horror, like, oh my god, that looks like a sloppy old poo. I was like, oh, there's enough snot on that, last a while. I'm gonna pop these in while you find something big enough. Just put it on your finger.
Just put my finger in it. So we're just getting ready to put this stuff on because somebody, not naming any names, squeezed it before we needed it. So we're just getting ready to put that on now. Jeremy's taken the little clamps off, so yeah.
Wonder who that was, Gillian. Alright, I'll hold that. You put some snot around just nice and close.
Can I use my finger?
Yeah. Right. Got them both? Without goo. Sounds like the pub. Things rolling around. Oh no, it's upside down. Yeah. You happy there?
Yeah, all good.
Do you want to pull it in as much as you can from there? What's that? Yeah. Yeah, it'll need your fingering soon. Yeah, to tidy up the goop around the outside. Just need to figure that back up.
Groove like that? Is that what you mean? Like the top? The top?
Yeah. Here we are. She's in. Jill's just fingering the top of it to make it look pretty. And yeah, so she's all sealed up. Once Jill's done that, making it look all nice, we'll go along and get all the other crap off before it dries. Or was the tip, the red hot tip, not to touch it until it dries and then scrape it off or something? I can't remember.
I don't know. There's so many red hot tips.
There's so many tips around right now that I don't know if I'm Arthur or Martha or Tippy or Sippy. Here's a little something we organised a bit earlier. Hell yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Look at that bad boy. Very good. That's her. She is on. And now I know how to unlock it too without snapping the little spot welds down the bottom. That's pretty handy.
Took a little while yesterday.
Yeah, might not have pulled it a little too hard, but that's the story of me life. Anyway.
Oh no.
Moving on. Next.
We have hot water. We don't have electricity, but we have hot water.
We don't have hot water. Because we don't have electricity. We don't even have cold water.
Because we don't have tanks.
But Jill's the sort of person that if I was to hook a garden hose out of that and go and check it, she'd try and have it going. Bless her little cotton socks.
Hello.
Alright, so we've done a massive day on the bus. We got the old hot water system in. So hey Kiwi. Kiwi dog. Anyway, got the hot water system in, that's all done. Jeddy lost his first tooth. And anyway.
The tooth fairy came.
Yes.
She gave me $5 and a no.
Sick. Awesome. And what did she tell you to do with your teeth?
Brush them.
Brush them and look after them. Anyway, we're checking out. We'll see you in a few days anyway.
See ya.
Bye.